Should I mix all of my leftover paint together to try to come up with a shade to paint my entire house? We're gonna start with the dark colors. I have black. I use this to paint a ceiling black. This paint is almost magenta. It's kind of fun doing this with one hand. Ooh, it's very pink now. It's really pretty purple color. It'd be really good for a warm room. Okay, I'm gonna add this color to see if it'll lighten that up. Now it's this really lovely purple color. I'm gonna keep going. Add more gray to it. Oh, that's kind of lumpy. Well, I have just created another lovely shade of purple. I think I need to add yellow to it so it's less purple. Not a lot of people want a purple house. I don't have yellow, but I do have green. But I might just be stuck with purple. That's very green. What happens when you mix green and purple together? I don't know. Let's see. Will that green neutralize this purple a little bit so it's not so purple? I actually don't think it's gonna happen. I think I might be stuck with 5 gallons of purple paint. Don't get me wrong, this is a perfectly lovely shade of purple. However, I'm not sure I want my whole house painted that color. I do have a lot more paint though. Should I try again?